Hello, welcome back to Math Vibes. Today in this video we are going to learn about curve, simple curve, open and closed curves and polygons. These all topics are very beneficial as they come from class 5th onwards. You have it in class 5, 6, 7 and also in class 8, and you will not be able to do exercise 3.1 of class 8 properly if you don't have the understanding of these topics. So here we are to explain the topic better. Let's start the video, and before that take a minute to press the subscribe button. Let us learn about what is curve. Well, a curve is any drawing, straight or non-straight, done without lifting the pencil. It may be called a curved curve. For example, you do doodling. Okay, so when you do doodling, or that is done when you don't lift your pencil. Okay, so that is called a curve. Even a line is also a curve in maths. Yes, a line is also a curve in maths. Let us learn about what are simple curves. Well, simple curves, a curve is said to be simple if it does not cross itself. It does not cross itself. For example, like you see this one. It does not cross itself. It does not intersect itself. Right? Whether they are closed or open doesn't matter, right? So the next is simple closed curve. Very important. A curve is said to be a simple closed curve if it does not cross itself and is closed also. So they will be called simple closed curves. For example, this. It is a closed figure and it does not cross itself. So this will be simple closed curve. Now let us look at the next one, which is open curves. So what are open curves? As the name suggests, which remain open, right? A curve is said to be open if its ends are not joined. Okay, if its ends are not joined, or if the beginning point, starting point, or the ending point are different, then it is said to be open curve. The examples are as follows: this, or this. They all are the examples of open curves. Let us now look at closed curves now. So a curve is said to be closed if its ends are joined, or whose beginning point and the ending point are the same. Those type of curves will be called closed curves. For example, a heart. Yes, the most common drawing. Yeah, right. So a heart is an example of a closed curve. A star, this figure which represents a star, is also closed. The circle is also a closed figure, so it is a closed curve. Now let us learn about polygon. Very, very important. See, polygon. This word poly, it means many. Okay, and this gun means sides, so polygon will mean many sides. All right, many side. So a polygon, it is a simple closed curve, but it is made up of 3 or more line segments. So the minimum number of line segments that a polygon can have is 3. Okay, so for example, we can say this hexagon or this pentagon. They all are the examples of polygon. Now there are some very important points that you should remember about a polygon. The first point is, if you look at this figure, then the line segments are the sides of the polygon. These line segments, okay, like AB, BC, CD, DE, EA, they are called the sides of the polygon. Now, if you look at any two sides which have a common endpoint, okay, like AB and BC, they are joined by B, right? They have a common endpoint B. So, or we can say BC and CD, they have a common endpoint C. CD and DE, they have common endpoint D. DE and EA, they have common endpoint E. EA and AB, they have common endpoint A. So these type of sites, they are called adjacent sites, which are together, like these two, they are together and they have this common endpoint or the common vertex, right? So same way for the others also. So these two sites with that which have the common, any one common endpoint, they are called the adjacent sides of a polygon. Now if we continue with this, then the meeting point of the pair of sides, like where the 2 points meet, or sorry, the two sides meet, like EA and BA, they meet at the point A. So A is called the vertex. AB and CB, they meet at the point B. So B is called the vertex. And the endpoints of the same side or are called adjacent vertices. Now, for example, like AB is one side. Okay, AB is one side. Now there are two endpoints to it. These two endpoints, they are together. Okay, they are side by side. So they are called adjacent vertices. A and B, they are adjacent vertices. B and C, they are adjacent vertices. Okay, C and D, they are adjacent vertices. D and E and A, they all are adjacent. But if I say A and D, then they are not adjacent. They are not on the same side, right? This is an extra dotted line that we have joined. Okay, but if I see the vertices, then A is not coming after D or D is not coming after A. So they are non-adjacent vertices, and the non-adjacent vertices are called diagonals. The diagonals, so what are diagonals? The diagonals are when the two non-adjacent vertices of a polygon are joined, then a diagonal is formed. Now, this concept of polygon is very, very important. You should learn it, you should read it, you should understand it thoroughly, and then only you will be able to solve the questions based on polygons. And these concepts, they are everywhere in maths. They start from class 4 or 3rd onwards and they go on, right? So pay attention to these topics carefully, especially for higher classes. Polygon, concept of polygon is very important. Alright. Alright. Bye. If you like a video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. You all are very precious to us. Thank you so much for showering your love and support. Do click the subscribe button, like and share. Bye.